Well, part of governance is from the national, local, and barangay level. Sanitation, law and order is part of the all levels of government. Ito namang ano kasi, itong sanitation drive.
Yes, sir.
Maganda yon, and it can be done. And I hope that we can encourage government and the barangays all over the Philippines that they can do it without the prodding of the national government. And if they can do that, we would be most happy. Ang problema nito is ganito. Part of that is the ecosystem.
Yes, sir.
Ngayon, i-collecta mo yung garbage.